So hey guys, my name is Akshit and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you put your own fonts in Pixel Lab, the part 2. In the part 1 I showed you, but I thought it was little complicated for you. So guys, I'm making another one. So guys, as always you need only two apps, ZAchiever and Pixel Lab. Here are those. Here you can see this one. So guys, first go to if you want, take any font. So I'll give you two types of font.coms, and one is dafont.com and one is 1001 font.com. I'll go to the both and I'll download both. So let's first check what happens. So guys, I'm going to Chrome and first I'll try with 1001 font.com 100 font.com. So guys, I'm going there. It's taking some time to load. That's okay. Not sure, it's taking some time. Let it load. Till that I'll pause. So sorry guys, there was some issue and I forgot to tell you that you're not supposed to go to 1001fonts.com or else it'll ask you to it'll ask you to say your email address and other things. So guys, you have to only type 1001 fonts, that's all, and click the first link. Now whatever you want, you take it. So which one? I will take any one. This one, the first one, anything. Now downloading file. Thunder is thunder/demo.zip. So guys, let's go to ZAchiever, or you want me to go to first Dafont? So first let's go to ZAchiever. So I'm going to ZAchiever. Now as always you have to go to download. So where is download? Download. This one is easy, that's why I'm saying you. Thunder. Where is Thunder? Yeah, here. What you do is extract here. You click that Thunder, extract, okay? Now you will see here Thunder demo OTF. So guys, then you should know that it is done. So now let's go to Pixel Lab. Now you have to not go to fonts and do this and that. And now let me go to fonts, AB font, my fonts. Now here you search. Now you see here. Now you go to downloads. Now you search here Thunder demo OTF. You have to select OTF, not TTF. That is wrong. So add selected. Then go like this. Now let's see what it comes. Yeah, see 33 may come, but the most one is it won't come. So let's try it. Let me delete one more. Now you see. So guys, now let's go to Dafont and then I'll check. So Chrome. Now here you can go to dafont.com, and then I will say both of them are nice. I'm not going to say one is nice and one is bad. Yeah, suppose this first one. So I'll click download, let it where for some time it happens. Yeah, it came. You have to just know the name, like the first word SKE. That's all you remember and it will come. As always, go to Z Achiever, and then what? Yeah, and then go to download. What was it? S. Check. Happened. What was it? Yeah. Here. Now you extract here. Pixel Lab as always. AB font. My fonts. Oh, it came by itself. You don't have to. You have to just do extract here. These are two types, so you can take both of them. Here you can see a small one which I sorted out. It is like X is going wrong. See, if I put this X is flat, X is like that. So that's all. That's why like this. So that's all for this video, and please subscribe and press the bell icon. By the way, let's check this one, the next one, the same thing. So bye.